Hello everyone, I'm starting here from scratch again. You might want to move straight to this step. So you start with your yarn and you create a slip stitch. So you hold it like this with the yarn at the end where your fingers are. You wrap it around the hand and over the back of the yarn. You take your hook, you put it under the first line and you pull the yarn through to create a slip knot. And then you can use the wool that's connected to the ball of yarn to tighten that on your hook, not the shorter end but the one that's connected to the wool. I'd then like you to do 2 chain stitch. So we go 1, yarn over, pull through and off the hook. So we have 2 chain stitch there. And now we're going to create a foundation ring. So you're going to learn how to do a double crochet as part of the foundation ring. So you're going to insert the hook into the first chain and work a double crochet stitch 6 times into that same stitch. So we're going to go into the first one. You're going to pull the yarn through that stitch. So you've got 2 loops on your hook. And then you're going to do yarn over and pull them both off. And again, into that same stitch, pull the wool back through, yarn over. So diagonally around the neck of the hook, twist the hook to the side so it's easier to take both loops off. So you're going to go back into the hole, bring the yarn through. You've got 2 on your hook. You're going to wrap the yarn around the neck of the hook, twist the hook and take it off. So you've got 3 double crochets there. We're going to go back into that same stitch again, bring it through. You've got 2 on your hook. You're going to then do yarn over, twist your hook and pull them off. 1, 2, 3, 4 now. Back into that same stitch, bring the yarn back up to the top. You've got 2 then on your hook. You wrap it around the neck, you twist the hook and pull them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more into the same stitch, grab the yarn, pull it back through, 2 on your hook, yarn over, twist and pull through. You then have a foundation ring and you've double crocheted into the foundation ring. I'm going to take my hook and go through the first double crochet on the sides, which is a bit like a plait that goes around the outer edge, and I'm going to pull my yarn through that and through the hook that's on my crochet hook. So I pulled them both off, and this creates the basis for the foundation ring. It kind of looks like a little bit of a flower, and that will be at the top and the bottom of the axolotl. Now if you pull, you should be able to close the hole a little bit at the top of what you've done. So this joins it together and you're ready for your next row, which I'll show you how to increase and decrease on another clip. But just to show you, this would be the top foundation ring at the top of the little positive axolotl and at the bottom of the little positive axolotl. This wool, this yarn if you like, is much thinner than the one I'm demonstrating with, so obviously the foundation ring is therefore much smaller, but the principle is the exact same stitches and exactly the same.